Good morning, everyone. Today is my first sunrise walk, and last night was my second sunset walk. I'm also on day 4 of my water-only fast, so I only drink plain water, and if I get hungry, I add Celtic sea salt, and I start my day off with some electrolytes that are unflavored, unsweetened, just salt and magnesium and potassium and trace minerals. So I've been doing quite a bit of research about water fasting, and some say to take supplements, and others say to not take supplements to give your digestive system a real break. And that's my main reason for fasting, is to give my digestive system a break so that I can reset. I'm aiming for 10 days to also reset my taste receptors. When I do this, it helps vegetables to have more flavor, and also when I take the Celtic sea salt, it really helps with my hunger. And also I've noticed that when I do a water fast, I have more energy, I get a clarity in my mind, and many other benefits. So thank you for taking this walk with me this morning. I hope you're able to give it a try. Share this with someone you care about. Have a lovely day.